Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah out here in Brenham, Texas, just east of Austin. Wonderful ranch property out here. The homeowner needed to expand and build additional property on the ranch here. So this one's going to be outfitted with our comfort system, our R panels over the slab on grade, propane boiler set up here. The homeowner has another home up in Washington area and of course has radiant heat in that project. And even though we're in Texas, we still need heat. Of course, our panels being so quick responding, that's able to heat up in the morning, stop heating, and heat back up at night as needed. So as you get into the shoulder months, they'll definitely be using the system here. As I cover all of kind of the Southwest and our warmer climates, radiant is equally as important as to areas in the North where it's cold all the time. We need fast, quiet, efficient heating systems. And our comfort system here in this project is going to be outstanding for the lifestyle of this family. It's a growing family, so lots of relatives are going to come fill up the property here. So it's going to be great. So as you can see here, this is the recessed shower detail. So they recessed the slab when they poured the slab. It's obviously down another 4 inches or so. Our panels have gone on top. Now all waterproofing will go over this. Essentially just treating this like a subfloor on a second story is the easiest way to think about that. We'll penetrate this curb here with the loop that needs to go in there. Again, a little bit slower responding in there, but that's okay because ultimately the client's still going to get better foot comfort, not a stark contrast when this goes in. Especially a relatively bigger shower like this one. That floor is going to take a little more time to heat up, especially if you're just relying on the hot water to heat it up. So it's that fine comfort with Warmboard. Us and the team, we are always thinking this through of how is that foot comfort, how is that feel through everything. We want everything to be as uniform as possible and as visible and in the background of the client so they don't understand and even realize the heating system's on. That's our ultimate goal with our comfort system projects. Each bedroom has its own thermostat, so lots of control. So everyone's happy as they need to be. So can't wait to see this one come together. Just gonna go through our tubing layout with the team and then look over mechanical setup too. So gonna be a great day here in east of Austin. Great project. Love seeing these come together and we'll see you around.